Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making this chicken lollipop, which is so easy to make, so crispy and so tasty. So let's get in.
First, I have about 15 pieces of lollipop chicken here. And then to that you can add the spices, which is salt, pepper, ginger garlic paste, soy sauce and Kashmiri chilli powder. You have to use dark soy sauce, and the reason we're using Kashmiri chilli powder is because we need the color. Now mix it really well by hand and wrap it using a plastic wrap and keep it for 30 minutes so it can marinate. Once that's done, you can add 3 tablespoons of cornflour, 2 tablespoons of maida, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and 1 large egg. This time we are adding more chilli powder than we had before, and please make sure the egg is room temperature. Now mix it really well using your hands, and now it's time to fry it. Now to fry it, we will be dipping it in cornflour and then putting it into hot oil. I am using sunflower oil. You can use any type of oil, just make sure it's completely hot. Now gently flip and fry it. If you are new to my channel, hello, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and do check out the videos that I post. Once it's done, it should look something like this. Take it out from the pan into a tissue paper and let the oil absorb. Next to a pot, add oil and let it be hot. Then to that add 2 dry red chilli and let it be on the flame for some time. And then add the ginger and garlic. Suit it really well. And then add the spring onion and again suit it well. Then add in the ketchup and mix it really well. Then I'm adding some soy sauce and mixing it really well again. Again I added some ketchup because the first time I didn't put enough. When it looks something like this, I added the chicken to it. And then mix it really well until the chicken has the sauce all over it. When the chicken is completely mixed in, it should be ready. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.